Sa panibagong araw sa bahay ni Kuya, sina Lou at Andre na ibahagi ang naganap na challenge nila kina Yamyam at Fumiya.
It was fun.
It was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah. It's a true test of your teamwork.
We won.
やっぱり
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice. Nice.
Ilang sandali pa, magkahiwalay na kinausap ni Kuya sina Yamyam at Fumiya tungkol sa papalapit nilang laban.
Magaganap na ngayong araw ang inyong challenge. Anong inaasahan mo rito?
Actually, Kuya, kinakabahan din ako kasi my gosh, hindi namin alam po yung challenge at saka ang inaasahan ko dito is manalo talaga. Tapos work together kami po, Kuya.
The thinking is same. That's why I'm so happy, glad, and at the same time, I'm excited to challenge with him po.
Agad namang pinakuha sa dalawa ang mga gagamitin nila sa storage room.
I expect the challenge it need like a physical, mental, and strategize, and also teamwork. No panic, okay?
No panic, okay? Buo talaga ko pong pinipili po talaga si Fumiya kasi nakikita ko sa kanya na competitive din siya at saka smart po, saka strong. Kaya may lakas ang loob ako na do better and do well. Yun po, Kuya.